Well, today's burger is going to be more about the burger blend than the burger. But we're going to need the essential toppings, which is cheese and pickles. Oh, and some buns. Now, we're going to do a few of these burger blends throughout the year. So, really don't need a meat grinder right now, but go buy you one because we will eventually. Get you some of this Conecuh sausage, which is a pound, and 2 pounds of 80/20 ground chuck. Take them innards out of that sausage, give them a twirl in the food processor to about ground beef size, and get her incorporated really well. You want it pretty even. See if you can get you a 2.5 ounce cow ball on the first try. Give her a good snort. Make sure your ratio's right. And I think we got us a nice patty. A nice ball. Alrighty, toast up your buns and lay them down. This is not your first time here. You can hit that 2-time speed button, speed this up. Do you know how I like to do it? I like to sear one side, put down my seasoning, and we sear that because we don't want our smashy sticking to the meat while we are smashing. Alright, get them good and flat. Maybe them edges a little thinner. And just sit back and watch it for about a minute and a half, minute 45 seconds. You'll see the juices puddle up on top. Them edges are getting brown. And give her a quick little flip there, and you can see this here is passing the crust test. They look really good already. We're just going to want to use 1 piece of cheese because we want to make sure we taste that meat on this test cook. And that went for about a minute before we put that patty on top. Ooh, that looks good. Let's get her on the bun and get this thing moving. One more time, I want you to look at this crust. Now, I can't take full credit for this. My good friend over at Fat Chance Barbecue, Russ, he threw this idea my way, so we thought we would try it. And there's your burger. And also, last week's video, I had to comment that I don't take a bite. So, let's start eating burgers. Let me tell you what, this patty right here is really good. Really makes it savory. Got a little kick, which I really like. And it gets me to thinking, for next week's video, a breakfast burger would be great. Alrighty, I just want to tell you, try it. And I appreciate you. And Mojo is out.